up, friends? Welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the Squid Kid from Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. So first we're going to start with the top of the hat. So we're going to curve this over and then through on the right. We're going to start on the left. We're going to dip this line in, bringing this back over and then through towards the top. And then we're going to replicate that as we come in, out, and then back through in the center, connecting that together. On both sides from the top now, we're going to bring this line out and then in on a diagonal. We're going to do the same thing on the right, closing that off. Let's come down and draw in some eyes now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. We're going to leave a gap moving over on the right and replicating that. Let's move in. On the top corner, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. Let's draw in the pupil. So from the top, we're just going to curve this around and through. And then we're just going to color that part in black. Let's draw on the tentacles now. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then moving over on the outside, we're going to replicate that again, curving that over and down. Let's close off the bottom of the tentacles. We're going to round that out, bringing this over and then back in. Let's step up on the outside portion. We're going to curve this line around and down, leaving a gap. Let's step in again. We're going to bring this line around and then down towards the bottom. And then again from here, we're just going to curve this around and through on the side. Now from here, let's close off the head. So on the bottom here, coming underneath the tentacle, we're going to bring this line down, curving that at the edge, bringing that over and through. We're going to do the same on the right, blending that in together. Let's draw on the eye on the top. So we're going to draw in an oval on the left-hand side. We're going to flip over on the right-hand side, replicating that. And then we're just going to color that in black. Let's draw in the mouth. So we're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. And now let's move down and box in the body. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes through the middle of the tentacles on both sides. We're going to continue this line down on the left as well as on the right hand side, ending that at the same height. We're going to curve the corner, arching that over, flattening that out, bringing that in towards the center. Let's close off the shirt. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in from the right hand side. Stepping up on that line, we're going to draw another diagonal line coming up. Let's close off the shirt in the center. We're going to draw this straight line coming all the way down. Let's draw on the collar. We're going to arch this out slightly on the right as well as on the left. And then from the side, curving this around and in towards the bottom of the head. Now from here, we're going to draw in 4 circles for the buttons as we come down on the right-hand side. Let's step over now on the right hand side. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes down for the pattern on the shirt. Let's step over again, replicating that, bringing that over and through towards the top. Step across again, bringing that through. And then again underneath the tentacle. Then one more time, we're just going to bring this down on the side. Now let's step over on the left. We're going to draw the straight line coming down. Leave a gap, replicating that. Let's step over, bringing this through, and then again on the side. And then one more time, bringing that down, closing that off. Let's draw in our arms. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on the right. We're going to do the same thing on the left. Let's curve that corner, arching that down, bringing that through towards the side of the page. Now on the side, we're going to curve this around and through towards the middle. And then on the inside, again, just curving that in the corner, bringing that up towards the top. Now let's draw a diagonal line on the top, closing off the shirt. Now let's continue those stripes as we come through. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming up. We're going to step over, replicating that. Let's move across again, bringing that through towards the top. And then again, one more time, bringing that out and through. Now let's close off the pants. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down in the middle. To the left of this, we're going to curve that corner out, bringing that back down towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the same on the right. We're going to curve that corner on the left-hand side, bringing that around and then through towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same on the right, bringing this over and then through towards the center. Let's add in the 3D effect on the arm. So we're going to bring this line across on a diagonal and then bringing that up. We're going to do the same on the right, bringing that over and then through towards the side. Let's close off the feet now. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across on the right. From the middle, let's arch this line up and over on the side. And we'll do the same thing as we come over on the left. Now for the pocket, we're going to bring this line down and then out. And then we'll do the same on the right, bringing this over and through. Let's draw in the pocket again. Let's come down, drawing in a straight line across. And then we're going to bring this line down and over. And then moving up, let's just draw in a straight line coming through. And that is it. That's how you draw Squid Kid from Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.